So like I said, this video is just a continuation of the last one. I don't know if you've watched the last one, so if you've not, please go back, watch, then continue with this. So the last time we have a plan of having the top view, the front view, and as well the side views. Alright, and we have a piece of work this way. Okay, we have something like this. After we projected it, then we had a piece of work this way and have something this way. Okay, then this. So this is what we were having in our last video. This is what we had. So we thought of having this part. All right, then we got the as drawn as this. Okay, as drawn as this, where we have 25, then 10, then 25, then we have 20, 20, 20. Okay, now we also have these symbols there. Then we have 25 as the leg, and also 25 both the opposite side and also the arrow side. All right, so we had here we have okay, let's say 20. Then from here to here we have, let's say 40. Then from here to here the same. Here to here, let's also say 20. Okay, let's take 25. That is here to here. All right, then here let's take 10. So here let's take 10. So we are going to represent using this to have the top view. Now looking it from this side, we'll be having something like this. Okay, this part first, which is the box, this box here. All right, then we have this side. Now this side are not seen, so we have something this way. We have this, which is making this part, and we also have this other part at the other side. Since it is the top view, we are going to see that part too, so it will be something like this. So this is something we'll be having. Now remember, we also have a word here. We have a word. You have a word here. All right, we have something that we welded there. So that part too will also be seen because you're viewing it from the top. So we are going to see them here too. All right, we're going to see them here too. Now what this is, remember we are taking the same proportions as this, also representing it here. So whatever thing you have there, that is what you represent here. Now this part is the same as this part, so it should be the same length as this, which is 40. Okay, now this part is this other part, because we are not seeing this part, we are seeing this. So this one will be the same length, which is 20. All right, okay, year to year. Okay, let's use 20, which is 20 here. Shooting out from this side, we have 20, the same as the other side, we have 20. Okay, let's increase it a little bit because the leg we have is more than 20. So let's say we have more like 40 or something thereabout. Okay, let's see if we can use 40 or something thereabout. So that is 40 there. Then the legs, the welded parts, we have 25 up, 25 this way. All right, so we'll be having, since we are not seeing this up, we'll be seeing this part. So we have 25 from here to here. Use your ruler to get 25. Yeah, remember, not all parts is being welded. It's an intermediate weld. Yeah, so we have this 25, then okay, 20, 20, 20, then those are the welded parts. All right, then this other side we have 25, which is something more of this. We have 10, which is this. We have 25, so this is the welded part. All right, so this is what you get as the top view. Remember, we are not drawing to scale, we are not using dimensions, so we are just using free hand. So while you are drawing in form of practicing, you make sure that the numbers are used to work. Okay, you make use of the work. If you use the numbers, if you are using a cm, make sure every other part is cm, and make sure you indicate that all dimensions are in cm. If it is mm, make sure that all dimensions are in mm. or in cm. If you're using cm, make sure it is cm in all. If you're using mm, make sure it is mm in all. So we are using mm now. All right, we are using mm. So all dimensions. Okay, so this is what we have. Using the top view, this is what you get. So this representing the welded parts, right? This representing this part, which is here. Now this from here to here represents this part here. All right, here from here. So okay, the same as this part. Now from here to here represents the length of the piece of work, or the length of the weld. All right, so make sure you apply all these things in order for you to arrive at an accurate result. Okay, so just apply. Our next video will be on bolts and nuts, how we can draw bolts and nuts, all right, using dimensions. So please subscribe, make sure you share, and also comment if there is need for improvement, or if there is something that we need to explain much further. Then we can do that with your comments. All right, so comment, make sure you subscribe, and also share so that others will also benefit. My name is Apollos Henry, and I urge you please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.